In today's video, I will walk you through how to adjust notification settings on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Telegram lets you customize your notification settings so you can decide when and how you're alerted about new messages. Whether you want to receive notifications for every message or reduce interruptions while you're working, you can adjust these settings in just a few steps. To begin, open the main menu in Telegram by clicking the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, click Notifications. This section contains all of the available options related to message alerts and notification behavior. You'll see several notification settings that you can customize. These options may include message previews, notification sounds, and other alert preferences. If you don't want message contents to appear in your notifications, locate the option for Message Previews and turn it off. This helps protect your privacy by showing that you've received a message without displaying its contents. You can also choose whether Telegram plays a sound when a new message arrives. Turn the notification sound on if you'd like an audible alert, or turn it off if you prefer a quieter experience. After adjusting your preferred settings, the changes are applied automatically. There's no need to click a Save button, so you can simply close the Settings menu when you're finished. If you want to customize notifications for a specific conversation instead of your entire account, open that chat and select its information or menu options. From there, you can mute notifications, unmute them later, or manage notification preferences for that individual chat without affecting your other conversations. You can return to the notification settings at any time if you want to make further adjustments or restore your previous preferences. And that's how to adjust notification settings on Telegram. Personalizing your notifications helps you stay informed while reducing unnecessary distractions throughout the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Telegram tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.